Well guys, I'm back and today we're going to do something a little different. We're just going to be doing a little unboxing of some products from a company called Talk and Tidy. Now they've kindly sent me these two parcels over and I've no idea what we've got inside. So let's just whip them open and we'll have a quick chat about what we've got. And going forward we're going to be doing a full review of these on YouTube and then some little clips and stuff on Instagram as well. So if you don't follow me over on Instagram, it's at Trigger Happy Autos. You'll soon find me. So yeah, let's dive into it. So we've got two parcels. That one's a bit lighter than the other. So we'll open this one first. As you can see, they've definitely packed that up tight. So first things first, got a bunch of triggers and they're good quality triggers then, so that's a good start. Next up we have GP cloth, which is a general purpose microfiber 40 by 4400 GSM. Let's just have a quick look. And yeah, it's a pack of cloths. I'm not sure how many there is in there, but yeah, nice quality microfibers, and they're really well packaged as well in these reusable bags, which is all branded up as well, which is nice. We've got a host of fresheners. So we've got Talk and Tidy, Self Care Club Talk and Tidy, and then some more of each. So they're really nice, and I really like the branding from this brand. I think they've done a really nice job of that. We'll talk a little bit more about the brand as we're going along as well. So next up we've got a wash pad. Again, comes in a nice little bag, and that is a really nice wash pad with a hanger on it. Really nice quality. That is definitely something I'm looking forward to using. We'll pop that back in the bag. Feel like we're going to run out of room here. We've got 40 by 40 250 GSM glass cloth. We've got twisted loop microfiber wash mitt. We'll have a look at that one. There we go. Nice quality wash mitt. Something a bit different as well. These are not the same as everybody else's cloths. What else we got? A microfiber wash mitt as well. So definitely got plenty of wash mitts on the go. Again, nice black wash mitt, good quality. And lastly, we've got a twisted loop drying towel 1600 GSM. That's really heavy, so we'll not open that. We'll keep you guessing on that. So yeah, really well branded, nice air fresheners. We'll open up the second box now, see what we've got in here. So a bit more about the brand. So they're a new startup brand, and the sort of aim behind the brand is obviously, you know, caring for cars is beneficial towards mental health, and it's something that I've got, you know, I'm a firm believer of. I started doing what I do, and it really benefited my mental health, my mental well-being. I'm sure a lot of you guys feel the same way. That car care does indeed give you a little bit of free time, bit of free headspace as well to, you know, to come up with some good results and make yourself feel really better, you know, feel a lot better about things. So I love that mantra behind the brand, and I think they'll do really well from it. So obviously let's hope all the products are as good as they look. So next up, chemicals. And this is a glass cleaner, so really tidy branding. There's a textured finish on these bottles, which is properly really nice, and it says on the bottles, supporting mindfulness for men, and it says men's minds matter, Talk and Tidy, proud supporters of it helps to talk. And I think that is something that a lot of us can get behind. So yeah, it's a glass cleaner, and it's a water repellent glass cleaner, so that's looking forward to trying that one out. Definitely the type of product I'm into. See what else we've got. We've got, this is called The Dressing. So it's a tyre gloss spray, so it's a tyre dressing. No real scent to it, not too bothered about that. And again, the branding looks really, really nice. We've got pre-wash, again, nice textured finish. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, this is a ready to use product. So looking forward to giving that a go. We've got a wheel cleaner. This is an iron fallout based product by the looks of things. So again, ready to use. I'm not going to smell that because I bet it stinks, which is fine. We've got shampoo. So it's mindfully scented with orange and bergamot. Very interesting. So yeah, everything's on there. It doesn't say how much to use in a bucket. Instructions are very clear, but yeah. Oh, smells lovely. Doesn't, oh, air fresheners are blown away. Don't tell you how much to use, so I'll have a word with them about that. Still plenty more here. We've got a detail spray, and it's scented with almond. Got a smell. Oh yeah, that smells good. Anything almond scented does it for me. Still got more. We have got snow foam. So it's a mint scented snow foam. Again, plenty of instructions, but it doesn't say how much you need to use. So, oh, it does smell good, that as well. So yeah, we'll definitely have to have a word with them about that. But yeah, no issues with that. Interior spray. Interior cleaner scented with strawberry. So you can use it leather cleaner, rubber, trim, basically all round interior cleaner. Smells real nice. Yep. I love the colours on the branding as well, they look really good. Oh, and we've got a fallout remover as well. So again, I'm not going to smell that. But yeah, all in all, really chuffed with this parcel that they've kindly sent me over. So obviously I want to say a massive thank you to the guys over at, oh hang on, something else, yeah. Oh, sorry, I've got all-purpose cleaner here as well. So yeah, we can use engine bays, sills, trims, interior plastics. And you can dilute that 4:1 as well for interior use. So yeah, no issues whatsoever. There's loads to go at here, and like I say, I'm delighted to have been asked by the brand to give my honest thoughts on these, and you know, show them a bit of love. So yeah, again, a massive thank you to them guys, and keep your eyes peeled because I will be pinging out plenty of content with these going forward. So definitely some on Instagram and some over on YouTube as well. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.